blueberry. Now repeat after me. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Meaning, a blueberry is a small, round fruit with a dark blue or purple color. It has a sweet and slightly tart flavor and is often eaten fresh, added to desserts, or used in smoothies and jams. In a sentence, she sprinkled a handful of blueberries on her pancakes for a delicious topping. Here, blueberry refers to the fruit she used as a topping. Let's try another example. The hikers picked wild blueberries from the bushes along the trail. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using blueberry. Synonyms. Some related terms for blueberry are berry, a small, juicy fruit like blueberries or raspberries. Vaccinium, the scientific genus name for blueberries. Antonyms. The opposite of blueberry would be none. As blueberry is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Blueberry is a noun referring to a type of small, round fruit that is blue in color. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.